Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm here with another Bengali bridal makeup tutorial, and for today's look I have created this warm toned half cut crease eye look and paired it with a dark red lipstick. I have hooded eyes, so along the way I will be sharing with you so many tips and tricks to achieve perfect cut crease on hooded eyes, as well as how to do your own bridal makeup in case you are planning to do your own bridal makeup. Before starting, if you are new here, then hi, I am Neeta. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos here on my channel, and please take a moment to subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. As always, I'm starting with my brows first. For that, I'm taking this Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony, and I'm drawing the borders of my brows first. Then I'll be filling them up using small hair-like strokes. I shared with you my eyebrow routine. I will link that video down in the description bar below, so please go ahead and check that out. In that video, I shared with you so many tips and tricks to achieve perfect brows each time you do your own makeup. That video is going to be really helpful for you, so do not forget to check that video out. Now with the spoolie, I'm just combing my brows so that there is no patchiness. Now I am taking this e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Sand, and I'm just cleaning up the borders of my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. Since it's a bridal makeup, some extra steps are must. So this is just one of them. I'm applying the same concealer on my eyelids to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows. That is coming up next. Now I'm just blending it out using a damp sponge. This sponge is from L'Oreal. Now I'm taking my Laura Mercier translucent loose powder and I'm just setting the concealer so that it does not crease. For my eyes, I am taking this matte dark warm toned brown color from my L.A.Girl Playful eyeshadow palette. I think it is. This is their new palette and I am blown away by the quality of these eyeshadow palettes. They are around like $10 and each of them are so good. Look at the pigmentation. They are like buttery smooth. They are not powdered. They are not chalky. They are well pigmented and they are just like butter. And I'm just applying it slightly above my crease. Now I'm taking this slightly lighter brown shade from the palette and I'm just diffusing the border of the previous shade so that there is a nice gradient effect. The brush that I'm using is from Morphe. Now I'm just marking the area where I want to place my cut crease, and for that I'm using a lip brush from Punasto. Talking about this eyeshadow palette, you can easily compare this palette to any of your high-end eyeshadows that you have in your collection. So if you haven't tried these particular palettes yet, I highly suggest you to try them. I'm taking the same darker brown shade again and with the same brush I'm just applying it on my outer V area. No, it's actually my e.l.f. blending brush. So I'm just applying it on my outer V area to give my outer V area a bit of depth. I'm taking this beautiful foil shade. It's kind of a rose gold shade, and with my finger I'm applying it all over on my eyelid and you can see how pigmented that is. It's so foiled, so metallic and so shiny, and it reflects like light beautifully. You can see it's such a gorgeous shade. I'm just blending out the edges so that there is a gradient effect. I was really wondering if I want to use a black or not, and then I just decided to use a black eyeshadow just to give my outer V area a bit more depth. And for that I'm using the same e.l.f. blending brush and I'm using a matte black shade from my Maybelline the Nudes palette. Now I'm taking this beautiful cranberry shade and I'm just applying it between the red shade and the rose gold shade to create a gradient effect. Now taking the dark brown shade that I used on my outer V area, I am just applying it on the border of that cut crease to make it look prominent. Now with my Maybelline gel eyeliner, I'm just drawing a wing here, and for that I'm using this eyeliner brush again from Morphe. Before continuing with my eye makeup further, I'm going to finish my base and then I will return to my eye makeup again. For that, first I'm taking this e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer and I'm just priming my entire face and neck. I already moisturized my face about half an hour ago. For your bridal makeup, you must use a primer, and this particular primer is one of my favorites out there. It fills in all your pores. It gives your face a nice smooth canvas for your foundation. And for that extra bridal glow, I'm using this Milani Soft Focus Glow Enhancer, and I'm just applying it all over on my face and neck. This is such a stunning product. It is almost like the MAC strobe cream. It just provides a beautiful, healthy, natural glow to the face. For color correcting, I'm using my L.A.Girl Pro Conceal Orange Color Corrector. You guys probably know it's my favorite, and I'm applying it wherever I have pigmentation, dark spot, acne spot and dark circle. And now I'm just blending it out using the same damp sponge. And I have applied a very little amount of this product because it is very pigmented, and if you apply too much of this color corrector, then it will be really hard to cover with your foundation. For my foundation, I'm going with this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade Classic Tan. And what a foundation, you guys. If you haven't tried this foundation yet, you need to. According to me, it's a spot on due for the Urban Decay All Nighter foundation. It is full coverage, it lasts all day long, it's transfer proof, it's waterproof, and look how flawless my base is looking. For bridal makeup, cream contour is must. For that, I am taking my Wet n Wild contour stick in the shade Where is Walnut, and I am just contouring the perimeters of my face. And you guys probably know I love this contour stick. The formula is top notch. It blends beautifully and it creates a perfect natural looking shadow. Also the shade. It's just a perfect shade for my skin tone. It is not too warm toned, it is not too cool toned. It is like something in between, and I like this type of shades for contouring. It just works beautifully for my skin tone. And see how nicely it's just blended. Now for highlighting and concealing, I'm using the same concealer and I'm applying it underneath my eyes, on my chin, on my cupid bow, around my mouth, down the bridge of my nose, as well as on the center of my forehead. And I'm just again blending it out using the same damp sponge. This concealer just blends beautifully, it's full coverage, it's so hydrating, it's not drying at all, and it does not oxidize. And it has become my go-to concealer. And ever since I tried this concealer, I don't know, I do not really want to use my high-end concealers because nowadays there are so many good options at the drugstore. This one and the Milani one, they are like my top favorite concealers from the drugstore. I'm just setting my under eyes as well as my smile lines using the same Laura Mercier translucent loose powder. To set my entire makeup, I am taking this Maybelline SuperStay powder foundation in the shade 312 Golden, and I'm just setting my entire makeup. For that, I'm using this large powder brush from Equate. Now I'm going to finish the rest of my eye makeup. For that, first I'm tightlining my eyes using the same kajal pencil gel eyeliner, from Maybelline. Now I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line using the matte black eyeshadow, and for that I'm using an angled brush from Pune store. I'm applying the dark matte brown shade on the border of that black eyeshadow. Now I'm just applying the lid shade, the shimmery foiled lid shade on the border, just to tie the look together. I'm just highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners using my Becca Champagne Pop highlighter, which I'll be using for my face later on. I think Becca is now available on Nykaa, so you can totally grab it from Nykaa. Now I'm just elongating my inner corners. It just gives my eyes a bit of like elongated look, you know. I'm just curling my natural lashes and applying a coat of mascara. This is my Maybelline Colossal Volume Express mascara, and I'll be using falsies off camera, and for that I'll be using my Kiss lashes in this style Midnight. And here is the final eye look. Please let me know your thoughts about this look in the comment section down below. And for today's bridal look, I decided not to use any glitter, and I truly love how the entire look came together. Now I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup. For that, first I'm taking this Wet n Wild color icon bronzer in the shade What Shady Beaches, and I'm just bronzing up my face even more to bring back some warmth to the face. This is again one of my favorite bronzers, and ever since I tried it, I just cannot put it down. For my blush, I'm going with this Rimmel Maxi blush in the shade White Card, and I'm applying it on my cheeks, on my chin as well as on my nose. And for that I'm using this highlighting brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I'm taking the same Becca Champagne Pop highlighter, and I'm just using the high points with this setting brush from Real Techniques. And I think they have a smaller size of this highlighter, and if you can get it, just do. This is stunning, and the smaller size, it will last you forever. Now I'm just setting my entire makeup using my Flower Beauty Still the Deal Hydrating Setting Spray, and for my lips I'm using this Jordana lips red. And that is pretty much it. And here is the final look. I truly love the way how it turned out. The eyes are so glam yet so soft, and the entire look is just perfect for any bride. Please let me know your thoughts about this look in the comment section down below. It will mean a lot to me. And for your convenience, I'm listing all the products, their shades, purchase link and everything in the description bar down below as well. So please do check that out. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar as well. So yeah, see you soon with a brand new tutorial. Till then, bye and take care.